Hey y'all, welcome back to the Busy Bee. If this is your first time visiting my channel, thank you for stopping by. And if you are returning, I'm so glad that you decided to come back to my channel for another video. Here on the Busy Bee, I talk about all things decorating, thrift, home decor, cleaning, and just my general lifestyle. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how I have transformed a free piece of furniture using Annie Sloan Chalk paint. And I'm going to give you a brief tutorial on how to do that. So to get started with painting furniture, the first thing you're going to want to do is clean it off. And what I used was just this Love and Planet multi-purpose spray. And I just sprayed it down a little bit, wiped it off with a damp rag, and then let it dry. You don't have to use a whole lot of cleaner. You just really want to, get the dirt off. You don't really have to go to town and scrub or anything like that. You're just trying to get the dirt off. The next thing that I'm going to do is use this sandpaper block to rough up the edges a little bit and kind of knock off that top layer of stain that's already on the piece of furniture so the chalk paint will adhere to it very well. We're back for step 3. This is the last step to transform my old piece of furniture into something brand new looking. It's not brand new, but it's brand new looking. So I'm super excited to get to this last spot in the whole transformation process so I can get to the fun part of actually staging and decorating, and that'll be an upcoming video when I show you how you can decorate a console table. So if you would like to see that video, make sure that you subscribe and hit that little bell so that you are notified when that video is uploaded. So for today, like I said, this is the last step. I'm so glad. The first step, was prime painting. Then we put on a second coat of paint, and today we're going to wax and seal. The wax that I'm going to use is this bare wax with a decorative white finish. And that's what it looks like. And that's what it looks like. Kind of looks like a creamy lotion almost. It's like the texture of it right there. So I'm going to put that on with just a bristle paintbrush. It's like a stiff bristle brush. And once I put it on, I'm only going to do a little area at the time. This is my first time ever chalk painting a piece of furniture before. It's my first time ever using wax. So I am hoping and praying and crossing all of my fingers and toes that it comes out right. But if it doesn't, it'll be okay because this piece of furniture was free, didn't cost me anything, and I can always paint over it if it doesn't come out the way that I want it to. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the wax and wiping. And I've looked at a couple videos on YouTube, so hopefully it turns out okay. Like I said, fingers crossed. Let's go ahead and get started.